Hey there, health warriors. So, you want to keep your heart ticking like a finely tuned clock? Well, let's dive into the do's and don'ts of a heart-healthy diet and maybe have a little fun along the way. First up, the do's. Imagine your kitchen as a superhero's lair, but instead of capes and gadgets, it's stocked with fruits, veggies, and whole grains. These are your allies in the battle against heart disease. Think of oats as your morning shield against cholesterol, and those leafy greens, they're like your secret weapon for keeping your blood pressure in check. Now onto the don'ts, and here's where it gets a bit greasy. Literally, cutting back on foods high in saturated fats, salt, and those sneaky sugars is key. Picture this, every time you say no to that extra slice of bacon, it's like dodging a bullet in this heart health game. And those sugary drinks, think of them as the villains, tempting but dangerous. But remember, transforming your diet isn't just about avoiding the bad stuff, it's about embracing a whole new flavorful world. Swap that salt shaker for spices and herbs. Instead of frying, why not get grilling, steaming, or baking? Your heart will thank you, and honestly, your taste buds won't even miss the old ways. And let's not forget, stress is like junk food for your soul, so keep things light. Laugh more, worry less, and maybe share a meal with someone you love. After all, a healthy heart beats at its best in happy company. So, embrace these heart-healthy habits and make your kitchen a haven for wholesome goodness. Your heart deserves it, and hey, so do you. Keep it pumping, folks, and keep it tasty. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this heart-healthy ride, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon for more delicious wisdom. Catch you next time.